Welcome back, guys. I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to create this type of stylized eyes in Blender using Eevee. Yes, this setup is fully Eevee friendly, and you can also use it in your Cycles projects if you want. Alright, before we jump in, quick reminder, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to bring more tutorials like this. Okay, now without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Now add a sphere by pressing Shift and A. Rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis. After that, go into Edit mode, select this vertex, and press Ctrl+ to expand the selection until you get the required area. Now press G, then Z, and move it slightly upward. Adjust it however you like. Next, go back to Object Mode and press Ctrl+2 to add a subdivision surface to the model. Go into Edit mode again, select these two circular edge loops, then press Shift and E and adjust the value based on your preference. Finally, select the circular edge loop and fine-tune it until the eye shape looks right to you. Now add a sphere by pressing Shift A and again rotate it 90 degrees on X-axis and set this to shade smooth. Now for the real work, go to render view and here in viewport shading uncheck these two box just for now and also rename these. It's your own to rename this as same as mine or your own. Now select the outer shell of the eye and go to the material tab. Delete the principled BSDF shader and add a glass BSDF shader. After that, add a transparent BSDF shader as well. Now mix both shaders together. With Node Wrangler enabled, press Ctrl and Shift and connect them to automatically create a mix shader. Finally, adjust the factor value of the mix shader and set it to 0.06. Now select the inner shell of the eye and go to the Material tab. Rename this material to Inner Shell. Add a gradient texture. With Node Wrangler enabled, select the gradient texture and press Ctrl and T. This will add the mapping and texture coordinate nodes automatically. Now add a color ramp and connect the color output of the gradient texture into the color ramp. Then connect the color ramp into the base color of the principled BSDF. Set the roughness value to 0. In the gradient texture, change the type from linear to spherical. In the texture coordinate node, connect object to vector. Adjust the color ramp, and in the mapping node, slightly tweak the Z value. You can add a new marker in the color ramp by pressing Ctrl and left click. Change the interpolation from linear to B-spline and adjust it as you like, or follow what you see on screen. Now add a Voronoi texture, press Ctrl and T, and add another color ramp after it. In the mapping node, set the type to normal, set the Z scale to 0, and set the Voronoi scale to 35. Make sure the texture coordinate is set to object. Mix both color ramps together using a mix shader set to overlay. Add another color ramp, connect the gradient output to its factor, and feed it into the mix. Next, add a noise texture, press Ctrl and T, add a color ramp, and mix it with the previous result using overlay. Adjust the noise texture and color ramp values until it feels right. And that's it! Your eye material is now fully procedural. You can easily change colors and details just by moving the color ramp markers. If you want a full advanced eye rig for stylized characters, check out the video linked here or in the info button. Keep creating your own worlds in Blender. Peace.